Good morning. We're starting this vlog from bed today because it's 7:30 in the morning and we can. I just got back from LA yesterday. I took a super early flight out in the morning to make it back to Vancouver for a shoot that I had at noon, and somehow we made it with no delays or anything. I was just exhausted, but gotta do what you gotta do. It's been a crazy busy week of car shenanigans, and I feel like I haven't shared any of it. So we're gonna roll some highlights in this video so you guys can see what I've been up to for the past week, because it's been exciting to say the least. We road tripped an R34 GTR down to California, which was an interesting decision. I'm not sure that I would recommend. I'm sure we will do it again. We went to a racetrack, went to Pekla, ton of cars and coffee events, a couple late night Zoomies meets. Still unsure how I feel about that. There's a lot of hooligan hour happening, but I'm kind of okay with it. Today's kind of just a reset day, recovering from travel. We have to go to the gym, we have some work to do, doing something super cool later that I've never done before, so I can't wait to share that. I just thought I'd bring you guys along for a little day in my life as a photographer, videographer, content creator, girl with a car addiction. The list goes on. I don't know what I do. Pick a job title, any job title. We do it all. Anyways, good morning. Thanks for being here. Let's do it. Just water for the gym today. I've been really trying to cut down the amount of caffeine that I consume, and anyone who knows me that's watching this is gonna say, Kylie, you still drink too much coffee. You know what? I'm not doing pre-workout, just coffee. A win's a win. Take what you can get, okay? We're gonna head to the gym. Just gonna do a chill day. I'm exhausted, my body hurts. We have a long shoot day tomorrow, so I think we're just gonna go for a little treadmill, maybe do a stretch, and kind of just see what the vibes are. Just get the body moving after traveling, busy week, but I don't want to hurt myself for tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. I just got back from the gym. There was this box waiting for me downstairs from Genesis that I'm dying to open because I have no idea what's in here, so we're gonna do that now. They sent me a message on Instagram saying they wanted to send me something as a thank you for a little collaboration that we did last year, but this is a bigger box than I was expecting, so let's see what's in here. This was not a graceful unboxing. Camera gets to see first. Ooh, I see a sticker, okay. Oh, there's a cute little note. Super sweet. And the goodies are in here. I'd bring you closer, but I'm kind of just excited to open this right now. Some very eco-friendly packaging. Oh, this is super cute. Okay. I gotta show you guys. Hold on. I really like this packaging. I feel like Amazon should get on this. Does not make for a graceful unboxing though. Ooh. Okay. Look how cute she is. Maybe they saw my complaint about the cup holders in my Cayman, and this is their solution, because I think this will actually fit in my cup holder, and it's like the right size and width that it probably won't tip over. So we'll go test that later, because hell yeah. So thanks, Genesis. How exciting. That just made my day. She's so cute. Look at her. Thrilled to have opened that box. However, now I'm starving because the gym is hard and I have not eaten yet. So we're gonna go make some food and go from there. There you have it. We're on to coffee coffee number 2, post-gym. Not too bad. It's like 10:30, 11 a.m. now, and I just sat down at my computer because I was planning on getting some work done. And my keyboard is dead, so I figured let's have a little chat instead while I wait for it to charge. I just spent a week and a half-ish down in LA, exploring California a bit more, exploring the car scene out there, meeting some cool creative people, and I have some thoughts. My original plan going down was to film a whole bunch of the car stuff that I'm doing and kind of put that into a fun video to share with you guys. But as I was down there, I realized it felt so cookie cutter. Like, at all the events we were at, there were 100 other people also with their cameras, all filming the same things, and I lost a lot of motivation. And I know I could just shoot it differently, do whatever, but something just felt off. So much of what we're seeing out of, hey, let's go walk around Cars and Coffee and I will tell you all the names of these cars. Which is cool and I still watch them. However, that's not what I'm saying. I think I want to lean into a format where, yes, I'm sharing all the cool car things that I'm so lucky and so grateful to go do with some of the behind the scenes of my work, but also a little bit of days like this where, yes, I just went and I spent a week down in LA. We did a whole bunch of cool car stuff, but let's come back to reality for a moment. And what does a normal, Tuesday in the life look like? How do we go from going to a racetrack to driving the canyons to an 11 p.m. car meet? How do you make that work as a normal person? So I've been thinking that I want to share a little bit more behind the scenes of, my day-to-day life of running and trying to grow this media company where I do professional photos, I do professional video work for not just automotive, but a ton of other industries as well, but also combining that with, trying to grow as a content creator, putting some of this stuff out for you guys, showing how I've developed my career over the years and how I continue to develop it, I'm now looking to expand down to California, and what's that going to look like both work-wise and as a content creator? Where do we start? I have no idea, but I'd like to bring you guys along and kind of show you what I'm doing and kind of document how I'm trying to grow this business and still enjoy all the things I love. So let me know what you think if you want to see a little bit more lifestyle, gym, what I'm doing today, behind the scenes, plus all the other fun car stuff that's coming, because there's some good stuff coming. I can't tell you what it is yet, but boy, do we have some plans. I'm gonna get my hands dirty, I can tell you that. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Do you care? Do you not care? Do you want to just see car stuff? That's cool. I can just go film cars. But if you want to see my little face doing other stuff too, any special requests, any cars you want to see, any things you want to see me do with my car. So that's my little spiel, but it's 11-ish on my second coffee. Have a ton of emails I need to catch up on because I've been gone for a week. We have a couple galleries that we need to edit, some videos we need to edit, and we'll go from there. And I still need to prep for this podcast that I'm filming tonight. I've never shot a podcast before, but one of my friends texted me last week and was like, hey, we want you on as a guest. And I was like, me? Really? And they were like, yeah, please. And I was like, okay. So I've never done a podcast before, but tonight we're gonna do one. So I should probably look at the questions and kind of figure out what I want to say so I don't just ramble on for 3 hours like I'm doing currently. But let's roll some LA highlights, what I've been up to the past week-ish, and we'll go from there. Enjoy. Little midday update. It's really interesting working for yourself because what you expect to be a normal kind of reset day turns into, well, not that. I got a phone call from one of my old clients that I actually ran into the other day, and they might have a project that they want to bring me on for. So I now have a meeting with them tomorrow after all of my shoots to kind of chat about what they have in mind. So that's super exciting. And then I just got another email from a company that I never expected to hear from for a potential project. So how exciting. I can't tell you anything more than that at the moment, unfortunately, but fingers crossed that these actually happen and I can share them all with you guys, because wow, not how I thought today was gonna go, but you know what? I'm thrilled. So back to editing, back to doing other work, but what a great welcome back to Vancouver. It's podcast time. We're doing it. It's podcast time. I have my tea. I have my microphone. Just waiting for Dan to get on the Zoom call. And then, yeah, we're going to chat a little bit about my life, my career, some car stuff. And I'll have it linked in the description whenever this goes live. So taking photos of us and the car wherever we ended up. And you get a response. It sparks something where you're like, oh wait, like I can do this. Jump into anything and just roll with it. Alrighty, podcast has been wrapped. It was the first podcast I've ever done and I was very scared. However, some great questions were asked, some great questions were answered, and I'm super excited for this to be released. It's not gonna be for a while, but I will keep you guys posted where and when you can watch it. So yeah, long day. Tomorrow's even longer. I now have to go prep for 2 shoots tomorrow and a big meeting that I'm super excited about, so I will share more on that when I can, and I'll probably bring you guys along with me for as much of it as possible. So yeah, good night for now. I just fully forgot how to park, so we're going to fix that so I don't look like an asshole. Wow, nailed it. There's people looking at me now. Perfect. Monica is here somewhere. I have to go find her. But first shoot of the day. Busy, busy, busy day. I will tell you guys more when I get out of the car. 1 second. Hello, we're in New West today, doing some real estate reels and other shenanigans. We have 2 listings out here. So starting here first and then moving to the next one. I'm still recovering from last night's podcast, but we're just getting the gimbal set up here. Monica's over there fixing the pillows and all the other. All right, shoot number 2 for the day. Just waiting for Denny to come back from grabbing coffee. I am exhausted. Shoot 1 went well. It's a super cool townhouse in New West, like right on the water. I'll put some drone footage in here. Easy peasy, just doing some reels. This one we're doing photos, videos, and reels, and drones. So a bit longer of a shoot, and then I have a meeting after this. So a bit on a time crunch today, but that's life.